I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still living?
Hello guys, what's up? So I'm making this video. I'm speaking about my journey here in Turkey, especially in Istanbul. So I'm gonna talk about like my journey in Istanbul and what I learned from Turkish people. So I'm gonna talk about like the transportation, the Turkish people. So and I'm gonna talk about like the food. Actually, I like the food. But I don't like Turkish people. They are annoying. I don't know why. But don't.
What do you talk about, man? Are you talking about Turkish people? How bad, man?
I like their food, but I don't like them.
I don't like Ahmet, you know that.
You don't like me?
I never liked you too.
Oh my goodness. What I'm gonna do right now?
Just kidding, man. You're my man. This guy is my man. So,
Two YouTubers and one secret. What? We are very happy. I'm very happy.
okay, you're welcome. I have some questions then about Turkey. Okay. And what is your 3 favorite food, for example?
Yeah. Kebab Iskender. I like it so much.
Wow. I wonder, don't you have kebab? Iskender in
we have shish kebab, but we don't have like kebab Iskender. And how you do it, like the way you do kebab Iskender, it's so delicious. Yeah.
What about meat? I mean, the taste is different in Turkey if you compare it to Iraq?
Yeah, it tastes different. For example, for kufta, when we make like a kufta, we put like so many flavors and spices on kufta.
Right.
Unlike you guys.
Alright. So, what about the second one?
The second one, I ate like yesterday manta.
Manta?
It's very good. But it's not Turkish.
Isn't it Turkish?
You guys still from Italy.
Another lie from Ahmet. Guys, Ahmet is a liar. Manta is 100% Turkish. Italians stole Manta from Turkey. 100%. True story.
Okay, the third one. The third one. Just remind me with the food. Because you guys, you don't have like food. You just eat like Burger King and McDonald's. Right?
What about baklava?
Wow! Oh my goodness! But you know, if you told me about like kunafa. Wow, kunafa is so delicious. Especially in Mado, they make a great kunafa.
Kunafa is, now he's going to say, kunafa is Italian as well. So, actually sounds is so American.
Kunafa from Iraq, not
From
they still kunafa from Iraq. Yeah,
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Tell me about one Iraqi food. All the words know that.
Okay, biryani. You know biryani.
Never heard. No one heard about. Only Iraqis they know.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you a food. All the world know this food. Okay, this dish, dolma. Actually, you make dolma. Turkish people, you make dolma.
Dolma is Turkish.
Or what do you call it?
Dolma is Turkish.
Oh my goodness, yeah, it's Turkish.
Guys, dolma is totally Turkish. The word is Turkish actually.
Yeah.
Dolma is kind of in Turkish. You can explain like.
But we develop it. We develop the dolma.
You stole maybe and you develop, but that's what you think.
Okay, do you put in dolma like tomato? You don't. You just like what do you call it? Yaprak?
What is he talking about? What is he talking about? You put tomato.
Okay.
What else do you put?
Yeah, we put tomato and stuffed tomato. Stuffed tomato. Yeah.
Okay.
And we put eggplant.
They
just gladly
stole something, but they didn't know what to do with that. Yeah.
Food. We are food robbers. Okay. I can't say that. We are food robbers.
Yeah.
We stole from you,
Yeah.
and you stole from us. Okay.
But what I learned today, seriously, that's very important. I'm not kidding about this.
Yeah.
If I go to Iraq one day, the first restaurant is going to be Burger King or McDonald's because there's nothing to eat in Iraq. They stole everything from us, and what's the point to go to Iraq to eat kebab or dolma? So I'm gonna go to Burger King basically.
Okay, if you come to Iraq, I will cook by myself, by these hands, okay? I will cook you any recipe you want, okay? And I will put so much spices on and when you ask me about the water, I told you, I will tell you like, you don't have water. Sorry.
Sorry. No, that's something good to hear actually. Okay, Ahmet, as I told you before,
Yeah.
I don't like you. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I don't like you.
Yeah,
And
I know. I saw some YouTube videos from you. So, but I every time I see your videos, I put dislike for your videos.
you are that person. For each videos I made, I always say one dislike. So I guessed that before.
I
actually.
reported your videos so many times.
You know what actually?
Yeah.
I talked to tutors, which you told before. They always complain about you. They say Ahmet is so boring, but
Yeah.
they cannot do anything because Ahmet is just calling and bothering them. So from here to Cambly tutors, okay, I am going to talk to Cambly's management.
Yeah.
They are going to fire. They are going to fire this guy. Yeah, they are going to fire this guy.
Be careful. They will fire you
We
as
will
well.
see. We will see.
They will fire you as well.
Okay, guys, it was great to talk to you. It was great to talk to you too.
Thank you
So,
for having me in your office.
No
Thank
problem.
you so much.
If you come to Istanbul again, please don't call me. Okay?
I will absolutely call you. Bye bye.